little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We see several plants like mango, neem, rose, marigold, etc. grow around us. But have you ever grown an aquatic plant? Plants that grow inside water are known as aquatic plants. In this video, we will grow and observe a lotus plant. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the planting kit and the types and parts of plants activity kit. From the planting kit, take out the packet of lotus seeds. From the types and parts of plants kit, take out the sandpaper. You will also need a glass, some soil from the garden, a medium-sized bowl and a plastic tub full of water from your home. First of all, open the packet of lotus seeds. Take one seed. Now, note this little hole. Can you see this? And rub it on the sandpaper like this. Can you see this? This rubbing will help the seeds to germinate faster. Now, repeat this for all the seeds. Now, we have to check which seeds are fit for germination. For this, take a glass of water and put all the seeds into it. Can you see? Some seeds are floating while some sink to the bottom. These floating seeds are not fit for germination, so we have to remove them. Let the seeds at the bottom remain in the glass. Observe the seeds that have sunk to the bottom for 4 to 5 days. Also, change the water after every 2 days. After 4-5 days, we can see a small stem. When this stem grows up to the surface of the water, it's time to plant the lotus seed in a bowl or pot. Take a bowl and fill it with soil. Now, plant the germinated lotus seed into the soil. Like this. Add some water. After this, take a big tub and place the bowl with germinated lotus seeds into it. Let's fill it with water now. You need to place this tub at a place where the plant can receive a lot of sunlight. There is no need to change the water in the tub. After 4-5 weeks, the lotus will begin blooming and ultimately you will get beautiful lotuses. Usually we see that plants grow in soil, but the aquatic plants also need water, that is aqua, to grow. Lotus is an aquatic plant that grows in water. The flower and leaves of the lotus float on the surface of the water and the roots are fixed in the soil. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.